I'm Atra Al-Nashar in Washington. President Trump announcing a new trade deal with Japan that includes 15% tariffs on Japanese imports coming into the U.S. It's one of only a handful of negotiated deals to come out of the White House in the past few months. The U.S.-Japanese trade relationship has quickly gone from this letter from President Trump hitting Japan with unilateral 25% tariffs to a bilateral agreement. President Trump announcing the long-awaited trade deal on social media Tuesday night, saying, Japan will invest at my direction $550 billion into the United States, which will receive 90% of the profits. Japanese products coming into the U.S. will be taxed at 15%. Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick says he came up with the concept for these Japanese investments in which the country will act as a banker.
They will finance the project and then we'll give it to an operator who'll run it, and the profits will be split 90% to the taxpayers of the United States of America and 10% to the Japanese. So they basically bought down their tariff rate.
The president says this deal also means Japan's market will be more open to American food products and cars. This at a time when American automakers are paying steep prices for the president's new tariffs. In their latest quarterly earnings, Stellantis reports spending $350 million in tariff fees in the first half of the year. And General Motors, $1.1 billion just in the second quarter. Opening Japan's market to American vehicles doesn't mean Japanese consumers will start buying them.
It doesn't solve the basic mismatch on fuel efficiency and on size of the vehicles, which is going to remain.
The president also announcing trade deals with the Philippines and Indonesia this week. This deal with Japan is arguably the most significant since he launched his trade war. Agreements still need to be reached with larger trading partners like China, the European Union, Canada, and Mexico. But Japan's deal could be a sign of things to come.
I think it is a bellwether in that we're going to see tariff rates of 15% or more on the countries that are remaining.
For trading partners that have gotten letters like Japan did, new double-digit tariffs, many far exceeding 15%, kick in August 1st. In Washington, I'm Atra Al-Nashar reporting.